Welcome back to All About AI. I'm Hassan Khan. Today, we're doing something fun. I'm going to show you how powerful Replit really is with a quick live demo. If you've ever wished coding could be as simple as opening a Google Doc, this video is for you. Make sure to subscribe to All About AI because we don't just talk about tools, we put them to the test. Here's the challenge. Let's build a tiny web app in under 5 minutes live using nothing but Replit. No downloads, no complicated setup. Just me, my browser, and Replit. As I spin this up, let me explain why Replit is a game changer. We've reviewed countless dev platforms, and Replit stands out because you start coding instantly, zero setup. You can invite friends or teammates to code with you in real time. AI features like Ghostwriter help debug and autocomplete your code. And when you're done, one click and your project is live on the internet. Okay, let's add a simple Hello World page. Watch this. With one click on Run, our project is already hosted. Replit gives me a live link I can share with anyone. And here's the best part, I could send this to a friend right now and they could fork this project and start building on top of it. At AllAboutAI, we've seen creators use it to prototype AI apps in Python, teach students how to code with zero setup headaches, build websites and host them instantly, run hackathons where participants just fork and go, and Replit's community library, thousands of templates you can clone from chatbots to full-stack apps. If you're jumping into Replit, here are 3 tips from AllAboutAI. 1. Organize your repos. Clean names make life easier. 2. Use GitHub integration or snapshots. Protect your code history. 3. Explore Ghostwriter. It's like having an AI pair programmer in your IDE. At AllAboutAI, we call Replit the Google Docs of coding, easy, collaborative, and surprisingly powerful. And there you have it in just a few minutes. We spun up a live app on Replit without installing a single thing. If you enjoyed this hands-on demo, like this video, share it with a friend who's learning to code, and don't forget to subscribe to All About AI for more practical deep dives into AI and coding tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one right here on All About AI.